U-Advocate Thandazani Griffith Madonsela usohlwini labantu abayishagalolunye ababeqokwe amaqembu, abanye babo baveza ungatholakali. Ubeqokwe wesekwa i-EFF, MK Party, ATM, iBosa ne-United African Transformation. Lolu hlu lugcine selifaka umncintiswano phakathi kuka-Advocate Kurt Hofmeyr no-Advocate Madonsela. U-Hofmeyr uchithwe amaqembu amaningi njengoba ethi wake wamela umengameli emacaleni amaningi, kanti khathi kuphakanyiswa igama lika-Advocate Madonsela okuvezile ukuthi wakwahlinzeka ikomidi ngombono wezomthetho ophenyweni oluzayo ngumengameli.
Chairperson, with regard to Advocate Madonsela, I would bring it to the committee's attention that he did disclose a matter for the committee's consideration. He indicated he is available, but he wants the committee to be aware that in 2020, he was designated by the president as the president's nominee for the Judicial Service Committee, but this ended in 2022. Secondly, he did disclose that on the 5th of June 2026, he received a brief from a firm of attorneys who were representing a study group in Parliament. He was asked to lead a junior advocate to provide ad hoc opinions on legal matters arising from the impeachment process.
Kubese kuvotwa, uMadonsela uthola amavoti ayishagalolunye, uHofmeyr wathola ayisikhombisa, kanti bayishumi nomuvo abanqume ukungavoti.
The name that will be recommended as the outcome of the vote will be that of Advocate Madonsela. Like we have said, that ours is to recommend the appointing process is done by Parliament.
Uma iParliament selimqokile uMadonsela, yena uzokube sephakamisa amagama abantu ababili abazomsiza ekuholeni ubufakazi. Ikomiti lika Section 89 belenza amalungiselelo okuqala umsebenzi walo wokuphenya umengameli lisalindele umphumela wokubukezwa enkantolo kombiko wephalaphala ngenyanga ezayo.